Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. So today I'll be unboxing another wireless earbud. It's called, this one is called the Air-3. Right, Air-3. Not too sure if it's on any particular brand, but I actually bought it from Shopee, from a local dealer. It's called Lion Shield. The code is called Air-3 Wireless Earbud. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box you see. Right, so I'm gonna start from the top. Right. Okay, so I opted for white color. As you can see from it, it's matte finishing. Okay, so when you open up, it looks like this. So there is actually a magnet here, so it's magnetic closure. Yep. Okay, and then there's an indication here, left and right. You can see from it, left and right. Right. Take it out. Right, you see. Okay, so let's remove this. So it's actually 50% charged. So this is how it looks like. Alright. Okay, so the front 4 dots here is actually the power indication for the charging case. When all 4 are light up, right, it's actually indication that the charging case is actually fully powered. And then as it drops 1 dot, it will indicate, like if it drops 1 dot here, it means 75%. Now it's actually two light, which is mean 50%. If it drops to 1 light, it means 25%. So over here is how the earbuds will look like when it's actually charging in the case. And then when you close them, okay, looks like alright, the port is here. So it's actually using micro USB. Right, so here's a cable. Right, one side is USB-A, the other side is micro USB. Okay, and then these are the additional ear tips. Right, I think, if I'm not wrong, I think it comes default with small, because the earbuds here are actually like medium size and large size. So if I'm not wrong, let me take a look. They come with small size. No, I think they come with medium. So the other one is small. Alright, so it comes default with medium size. Alright, so right now I'm going to actually show the connection of the earbuds. So over here you will see Air Mini. Tap on Air Mini. Alright, so it shows connected. So let's go to Spotify. Okay, we'll just play any random songs just to make sure there's music. So it's currently playing at 20% volume. Okay, alright. This is pause, play, pause, play. Alright, so double tap its previous track. Triple tap on both sides will be next track. Voice control. Play music. Right. It doesn't have anything much. Play music. Play music. Play Spotify. No, doesn't work. Right. Try here as well. Play music. play music. No, doesn't do anything. Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Air-3 wireless earbud. I'll be testing this for the next 1 week just to see how it goes. Alright, till then, my name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.